Man, boys, I want this so bad. The Inferno Orange ZR1. Pretty sure that's the guy who has the highest mileage one in the country. It's something like 150,000 miles. And then we got the boy rolling in behind him, the legendary Thought Patrol. What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're back out at the Rudy's car meet here in Tomball, Texas. It's already popping. We're a couple minutes late, but not very late. But there's already a good selection of cars here, including some pretty crazy trucks, some fast cars, and this thing. But without further ado, let's get looking around the show. Let me know what your favorite car is in today's video down in the comments below. Let's get right into it. Enzo! Enzo! Look, we have a friend for you. Hi, pup. Hi. We have a friend for Enzo.
This is Enzo, baby.
Oh, making friends. We got the Trump 350. And then the race truck. This thing is actually super clean. Little cat eye action. Oh man, I like those wheels a lot. And that sounds super nice. But then next to the race truck, we have the biggest damn truck I think I've ever seen in my life. The wheels are just about as tall as me, and I'm about 6'1"-ish. She fits comfortably under the little wind guard thingy, whatever you want to call it. I take it that you climb on the tread as like a ladder to get up here, and then you get in. But oh, Enzo, he's on the truck. Woo! Matte black S95 Mustang, little Cobra action, followed by, of course, a few more Mustang, or one more Mustang, and then a Vet. Nice little C6. The boys are out in numbers. There's always a really cool variety of stuff out here. Looks like a slammed like Dakota. Okay, here's something kind of weird. A Cadillac CLR, I think they're called. Those are actually pretty rare. Cadillac tried to make an electric vehicle, failed miserably, but still out here. And it's actually, they're kind of nicer, just ahead of their time. Oh wow, boys, this is a nut right here. Check out this Chevelle. Got the beadlocks in the back, the skinnies up front. Absolutely murdered out. Total gangster car right here. I think it's crazy. He got the full cage, the one seat inside, and of course, the beadlocks in the back, and the chute. I wonder how much power this guy's making. He got a parachute. Oh, the Supra's rolling out too. Right-hand drive Mark IV Supra. Then the GTO with the cowl hood. Another HPC car sounding pretty extensively modified. Sir, can I ask you what the setup is?
Turbo, single turbo.
Single turbo? What motor? What block?
5.3.
5.3. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Single turbo 5.3 Chevelle. He got the chute on the back. This thing is so sick, dude. Oh my God, I love it. And of course we got the Impala rolling out as well. That thing is so crazy, dude. He's got the parachute and everything. Oh my God, this thing is so sick. Oh my goodness. He was here at the last one, I think, but that is so gangster.
Same car, just
super clean CTSV. This wrap is sick. It's like dark blue, purple, something. And then a Turbo S on some nice wheels. Sheesh. This is sick. The old Accord.
rocket, man.
I'm pretty sure, like, he was here a little while ago. I think this guy actually has like 60,000 miles on it or something, like super like pristine for a 40-year-old Accord. Of course, we can't walk by one of my favorite cars that shows up here all the time, the old school Camaro. We got him here. Then behind him, we have another old Camaro, a little more original looking, yellow to black stripes, Z28. I still think I like this one a little better, but I mean, you can't go wrong. with an original Z28. It's Sean. What is this?
Don't ask! It's sketchy as fuck!
What? What? We got a Boss 302 rolling in. And a couple Mopar boys. He's on a tire now. Nice. Then we got the homie Ted Like. What's up, dude? How are you, boss?
How you been, man?
Been good. Drop him a follow right there. Drop him a sub. TikTok follow, Instagram, whatever you need. A little Mustang action. Enzo, we have a Frenchie friend for you. We have found another Frenchie for Enzo, and they're becoming best friends forever. We got the low Mustangs. We got Bree, the khaki Mustang. Hi, ma'am. How are you? And then we got 5.10 Pico behind. The low friends. Under the hood of my favorite Camaro. Then over here, we have the fully carbon fiber bodied Whipple Supercharged GT350R here. Next to another GT350, whose license plate is pretty solid. And a Rally Subaru. We got the boosted Z06 here. Oh, it's the homie. Oh, what's up, dude? Got the homie here, Z06 2 Envy, the A&A Supercharged C6 Z06. That thing is so clean, dude. We got more crazy classics rolling in. A couple Gen 2 Camaros. The fat tires in the back, skinnies up front. Sheesh. Then we got this unit. I guess he likes the Kentucky Wildcats. Man, I want a truck. And then I hear you chopping, brother. You can't hide from me. Check out this old Ford. This thing is low and super clean. Lady driven, oh, on bags. This is clean. So we got the old LS1 powered Impala here. This thing is very clean. I like this a whole lot. Dude, check out this absolute unit right here. It's a dually, like an old dually on bags. Absolute freaking unit, dude. Then the old Ford rolling back through. Sheesh. Jimmy rolling back through. He's got the other wheels on today. That thing sounds so good. And then we got Mason. Hello, my friend. Farewell, my friend. Yeah, a couple minutes ago.
I've been here for like an hour. Hi.
We got the old C3 Corvette here. This would be super sick to build one of these at some point in my life. I like it a whole lot. We got Mr. Alex Ankrom.
What's up, man?
Damn. Yeah. Oh my God. Another super clean old school Camaro. Good Lord. We got the 2,000 horsepower Gallardo rolling through. There's just so much turbo noise. Boys, I wish I could convey smell to y'all through the YouTube videos. we working on? Damn, son.
It sounds like a truck.
Look at this thing. He got the side pipes and everything. Got the GT500 rolling in, the fully track packed out car. You got the big wing. This is how you spec a GT500 right here.
Still an automatic.
Big blower C3 rolling out. Look at that. This thing is sick. Sheesh. Got the Cam ZL1 1LE rolling in. Followed by a little 5th gen action. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Got the blue and white striped old school Viper. I guess I really can't call. Brother. Got a Paxton supercharger on this Viper.
I have no clue right now.
Sound system in the back. I'm so here for it. Good Lord. Got the rat rod with the big blower on it. This thing is crazy. He's out here all the time. And then right behind him we have the 5th gen SS1LE. Looks like the wheel and tire setup is more so for like an autocross sort of build. This thing is super clean though. And back over here we have a couple more classes. We got the Graham Coupe. I don't know much about this car here. And then the old GTO as well.
Love you, gentle. Hey.
We got more friends for Enzo.
This is Enzo, baby. It's so good to see you.
Enzo making the Frenzos.
Oh.
We got the homie Chin pulling into the 1,000 horsepower Mustang. And a couple motorcycles behind them. I see you bike guys in the comments. I'll put some more motorcycles in the video for you. Sheesh. Give me this right now. Jetstream Blue C6 Z06. That thing is nice. Then we got the boosted old Fox body. So we got the Fox body here. That's crazy. That is insane. Hey, look, a car show. I love it. I love it. Good Lord. So of course our buddy Alex, the legend here, he got a new car.
Hey, first of all, okay, I just want to put this out there. You got to wear your mask, okay? I'm the mask enforcer out here. Now listen, I've got some shoes for you, all right? I need you to buy these shoes. I got all shoes back here, all right? They're all from Fashion Nova. Listen,
What size shoe do you wear?
What size shoe do you wear?
7.
These are a 7. These are gonna fit you, okay?
Oh,
Look, and I got the matching pair. Look, Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova, all right? It came with the car. Do you got any kid? Look, Enzo, I got a book for you. Look, it's a Disney magical adventure, okay? I can see how excited you're getting.
Wait, so you bought the car with all this shit in it?
I mean, I kind of bought the car.
You want to see the ignition?
Wait, what?
You want to see the ignition?
Yeah, let's see the ignition.
I got custom tent.
Custom tent, I like it.
I'm also
60 roll.
We're doing some 60 rolls out here.
Oh, wait, hey, here's the best.
I can't even tell. That's fucking great.
Hey,
Here's the best thing. Trent painted that.
custom tent. It's a new kind of tent. You just spray it on, dude. It's actually like 0% tent.
Bro, that ain't even 0.
Wait, hold on. What's going on here?
Nothing much to see here. Nothing much to see.
Ah, nice. Nice. What happened with this? Y'all just like find it in the field?
Nah, we got it from.
I think it's definitely straight legal.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What the hell? Look at this thing just towering over the lot. He can't even take the turn. What the hell? It's a Suzuki Samurai on the drag pack. Wait, hold on, dude. Is this a rotary samurai? It's a rotary samurai.
Yes, it is.
It's Doc from Cars. Oh my God, that is a gangster car right there.
I've seen these.
We got the heads cam Z01 1LE on the beadlock. We got a pretty clean little R32 here. And then the cammed and supercharged Escalade. The heads cam C7 Z06. That thing is clean. So, obviously this big ass truck is not street legal. It's getting towed out right now. That's insane that he even found a trailer that fits on. So Mr. Alex here is investing in the meme stonks. He's got GME to the moon. Dude, GME's been paying me.
I know.
GME's been, dude, GME to 1,000 tomorrow. Oh yeah. What in the...
Get there. It's gonna happen. We gotta follow our friend.
Oh my God.
Very hard. Remember, kids, wear your mask, all right? You don't wear your mask, I'm coming for you, all right? It kills like 3 people.
Oh, how do I?
Supercar does donuts at Park and Chill. Sorry guys, I know I said no more takeover stuff, but here I am once again. Just such a bad influence. One of the fast boys is rolling out, little heads cam porta blower CTSV. Alrighty guys, that is going to be it for us here at the Rudy's car meet today. This one was even crazier than the last one. Lots of cool cars, even more than last time, which is crazy to say because last time was popping. But let me know what your favorite car in today's video is down in the comments below. Check out shopcarsacrosstexas.com for any Cars Across Texas merch, also linked below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.